welcome to Munchin Your Trays. This is tea time number 2, and I gathered a few snacks like from random places, so there isn't really a specific place that you should know of, I guess. Yeah. I guess today's filming won't be like a session where I finish all the food, because I want to savor the food and like eat it slowly. So I'll just try it, like hear the sound and maybe give a review of how it tastes. So I have a few different things. So this is like tapioca ball and banana, fried banana from the streets. This is like a Thai kind of dessert. It looks so pretty. So I got tapioca balls, yam, glutinous rice, and red ruby. Then we stopped by a bakery because who can resist bakeries? So this is a cheese mochi from Sant Itoli at Terminal 21. This is also from Sant Itoli. It's a ham and mushroom bun. Then there were like some stores that sold random stuff. I don't really know what this is, but it's like a pancake that has taro filling in it. This is a Hokkaido milk cream bun from a random store. Look pretty interesting. This is 25 baht. This is a egg and ham donut from Flavor Field at Paragon. And there were some stores that sold stuff. So this is the Thai style shumai dumplings. The yellow ones are the ones with the prawns, and the green ones are the ones with just pure pork. And the same store also sold a glutinous rice triangle. We normally find this in Malaysia. Yeah, but I just wanted to try the ones that they have here. And then at the market that we were at earlier, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I've eaten this just now. So this is like leftover northern Thai sausages here. And I don't really know what this is, but it's like pork on a stick and it's really sweet, so it's quite cool. Then it comes with the glutinous rice, which we also didn't finish, so let's eat it now. And lastly, we have this! This is so cool. Like, I've only seen one place that sold it. This is near Chatu Chap. There's like peanut inside, but apparently they give you like leaves and small chilies to eat it together. So this is the leaves, and then you can see like the small chili. So cute. I don't know if we can focus on it. So cute. Oops. Yeah, I gotta start off this because it's kind of leaking all over. So. It's currently only like 3 plus here, quite early because the day is so hot. Okay. And then you're supposed to sprinkle the onions on top too. Use the stick that they gave. I'm gonna try the prawn one. Close up. Whoa, can't tell. Oops. Oh. It isn't really as salty or packed like the ones in Singapore or JB. It's quite interesting. This is the inside of the green color one. Oh, I guess you couldn't really see the banana, but it's kind of here. Hello! Bananas here are like fried in a different batter, so it's like really sweet. And of course I got the crumbs, so it's like... I think I ate this like yesterday, but this one is much crunchier. Normally you only find the small versions of this, so I was super excited to find this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You see, look at it. Oh. Wow. This is good. I'm gonna save it for later. Okay, then let's try this. Oh, I don't know how to show this to you guys. My favorite. I love anything with mayo. Okay, and then for this, let's say I need to take a leaf. And then the fork. gonna try this one first. Oh, he's so cute. Then I'm gonna try the blue one. Okay, this is for this. So right now I'm gonna eat this. I'm back. Okay, I just found this, so I think this is supposed to go with this. It's just like fried shallots. Favorite. And then let's try this. They have a different way of eating this, like things. So it's quite interesting to try the same thing, somewhat, from different countries. Like if I'm not wrong, the 7-Elevens here, they serve their shumais with vinegar. but this store gave us soy sauce and shallots. And then like in Singapore, we ate this triangle with much thicker sauce. But it smells the same, so let's just pour it over. And pretend to eat it. Not a good idea. Thank you. Well, I must say I prefer the triangle from Singapore. Quite excited to try this. Excited, but nothing too much. Nothing special. Try something different. Glutinous rice, veggie, more veggie, maybe. And meat. Can it go into my mouth? Last mouth. Okay, let's start with the desserts. And this is a cream bun. Let's see how much cream they have inside. quite filled up. Yummy. You want to try the cream bun? So I save for you? Always later. It's super nice, like really nice. Just it. This taro pancake. I don't know. It was like in an air fryer-ish kind of thing. Whoa. Da 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 da. I love how most of the stuff here have taro flavor to it. And lastly, desserts. I'm gonna choose the red ruby one because it's appealing to me today. So cute. One more time. Oops, sorry. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the sounds. I realized I bought a lot of things with quite good sounds, I guess. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.